Oh yeah, right. Part 8 of second intermediate spin, and we're doing the distribute drain. Well, sort of, because there's not a lot of water in there, so it won't do. Well, yeah, it's doing a distribute drain, so yeah, it's already drained already. So yeah, it drained all correctly. It's all good. Right, I think we've done distribute drain. Now we're going to do the here we go, we're going to the spin. Here we go. Quite unbalanced. Right, here we go. Second attempt of trying the inset style redistribution. Here we go. Finally got it. Now it's going to stop. And then it will go the other way and then try again, and it will slow, it will slow tumble up. Yeah, when it goes like that, yeah, there we go. It's going to do the slow redistribute up, as you guys can see here. It'll do this about 2 to 3 times. Yeah. It'll slow down, then do the slow distribute up again. Here we go. See it slow again. Oh god, that's very unbalanced. And then it will go the other way. I think it might turn the pump on. Oh no, I think it's doing the anti-crease, I think. I think it skipped it, that burst. Yeah. Bit of a chug there. Oh yeah, see, it's doing the anti-crease now. Just watching the videos that Lucas sent me on Instagram. So if you're wondering what that music was,